guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful rose gold kind of makeup look. So if you all want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. Starting with the makeup, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Primer. This is a great primer at quite a reasonable price. It blurs out all of your pores and gives you a very smooth finish. And I'm just going to pat it all over my face. Next, I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me 128 Warm Nude and L'Oreal Matte Magic in the shade G5. I like to mix my foundations together because I always end up buying either a shade lighter or a shade darker. Now I'm going to use the same brush and the silicone sponge to dot the foundation all over my skin like so. I'm loving the silicone sponge as it gives you a full coverage and it is really easy to blend out your foundation. This is the LA Girl Concealer in the shade Warm Sand, and I'm going to be using this to conceal my under eyes, and with the help of this mini beauty blender, I'm going to blend it all in. I love the coverage of these concealers. It is so natural and so beautiful. I'm taking the same concealer to conceal all the pigmentations around my lips and all of the other blemishes, and with the same beauty blender, I'm going to blend it all in. Now I'm going with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose and all the remaining high points of my face. This will help me brighten up my face, and using the same beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it all out. For my powder and to set the concealer and just sprinkle it all over my face, I'm going to be using the Color Bar Translucent Loose Powder, and I'm just going to bake my face for about 20 to 30 seconds or so. For contouring, I'm using the Nika K Concealer in the shade Red Clay, and I'm going to define my cheekbones just like this. And I'm going to blend it all in using the amazing beauty blender by PAC. Next, I'm going to contour my nose with a very light hand, and I won't go all the way down. I'll just stop in between, and using the same beauty blender, I'll blend it all in. Further, I'm going to contour my forehead using the same cream contour. Further contour and bronze my face, I'm going with the Makeup Revolution Contour and Highlight Palette, and with this shade right here, I'm gonna further contour my face. Using the oval brush, I'm just going over my cream contour. Next, I'm going to take the Tarte Ladies Night palette, and I'm going to take the blush shade and apply it to the apples of my cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm going to be going in with Precious Petals by Wet n Wild and apply it on all the high points of my face. I'm going with the second highlighter by Savannah because I love that blinding glow, and this is an amazing highlighter. Just look at the glow, you guys. Just look at that blinding glow. Now I'm going to set my makeup, and I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, and I'm going to take a quick little shower in it, and I'm going to push all my makeup in with this beauty blender. Moving on to my Huda Beauty's Rose Gold palette, I'm going to take the shade Bay, and I'm going to use it all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Shy, and I'm just going to define my crease, and I'm going to blend it towards the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'm going to take the shade Flamingo. It's a very pretty pink color, and I'm going to define my crease even further. Next, I'm going to take the shade Bossy, and with a very light hand, I'm going to define my crease towards the outer corner, and again going with the shade Flamingo, I'm going to make the eyeshadow even pigmented, even intense. Next up, I'm going to take the shade Man Eater. It's an intense maroon kind of shade, and I'm just going to sweep it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to take the shade Black Truffle. This is a black shade, and I'm just going to place it on the outer corner of my eyes. I don't want that smoky look going on, but just a little definition would be nice. Now comes the showstopper of the palette, and that's Rose Gold. It's a very beautiful foiled eyeshadow, and I'm just going to take it on my finger because that's how you'll get the color payoff. And I'm just going to apply it all over my lids, just as so. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to blend it all in. I'm just going to, so that there's no sharp lines going on. For my eyeliner, I'm going with the Maybelline Colossal Liner, and I'm just going to draw a subtle wing with it. For my mascara, I'm going with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Oh my god, you guys, this is like my ride or die product. This is such an amazing product, you guys. And I'm going with a dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just going to fill my brows. Next, I'm going to take the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Icon, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips. And using this lipstick from Oriflame Jordani in the shade Copper Shine, I'm just going to add that bit of glow and shimmer to my lipstick. And that is it, you guys. I hope you like the video. Please share, subscribe and like.